I one thing me have to say to you, Jada. You traumatize me. Jada, you traumatize the fuck out of me. Goody? Me say, girl, me have to... I know me see me that looking at you. Jada, if me you did not talk to sir, you can't record in a more studio. No girl can't done me them wicked way there. Girl, you make pretty tremble. Huh? Me blood clot no me not ask. Hey, you know it's all this swearing blood clot love and war. The two of them are did friend. Make we clear up that right now. The two of them are linked a long time. Them are good friend. Them are rare. Anything when you hear blood clot, Jada, so what you know about that? Look a fucky girl for you. You see yeng? Me tired of telling about yeng and the little blood clot and I advice about bless. From a long time, Jada said something about yeng, you know. So she and yeng no link again because for all yeng get the little boss yeng start hype on everybody. You remember Jada? Yes, good. Yes, sister. You say dirty yeng start turning back on the whole of her friend and he start suck Ramesh like a blood clot sausage. Remember, yes, sister? So bless, hear this long time, you know. I say, what do you bless, go up on one stage, you know. I say, bless, start, you know. Oh, Jada condom this, Jada condom that, Jada this, Jada, I should do one freestyle, Jada, and call up Jada name. We know it's Jada bipolar. Jada make it slide for you first there. And yeng, when me see the girl drop the blood clot, this track and chop off the whole of your blood clot head. You sound like one of the junker bike them with that Jamaica when they call the yeng them. You sound like one of the blood clot junker them. But bless, you sound blood clot annoying. And you see it? If I never have Jada wouldn't know, see you go suck blood clot tiger hood for blood clot feature. Girl. Why make you never come suck the baby hood? Are the baby hot? The baby is hot. Tiger not hot. You wear your throat. You wear your blood clot throat and bless. So annoying. With your chai. Die. I be a blood clot. I. You're the part of a blood clot. You don't even have no lyrics. Good as. Look how the girl pepper you like blood clot shrimp downtown goods. How much in the bag of shrimp again? Me not ask. Mula wagwa me there, I watch them two blood clot girl I'm love. What dear? It look like so one time Jada did call yeng name from the long time there. Yeng never want answer Jada. So all of a sudden she have blood clot man problem with Ramesh. Make her raise the dirty shensia. Make her raise. You have blood clot man problem. I don't know if it's stomach it girl. Eh? You have man problem and don't know how for blood clot stomach it goody. Bless. Let me ask you a question. You find out say Ramesh a give born, right? Good. You can't stomach it, you delete the whole of blood clot Ramesh picture them and Ray. Ramesh, add up your pitney and start calling for your own now I want another fuck slot in play. So you have a little cocky problem and you're going to take it out for poor bipolar blood clot Jada. Jada never trouble you know, Jada just say from bumbo clot, long bumbo clot time. Jada say he should not fuck with you no more because yeah bro God, me the home. She don't fuck with you no more. Because you get a little blood clot bust that name of cocky head and you feel like you reach somewhere good as you never reach. Nice flowers. You never blood clot reach goods. See? Your blood clot stay bad like good day. Mama tell you this now. None of we know they are cause Ramesh gain a problem. Ramesh fat like You give me the blood clot oversize of a man there give you bun good eh? Him need a sexy girl. For your birthday, you Ramish out and you have fun and go like you have some spoiled brat. Good if you have a man problem, you come and take it out for the girl and the girl fling over your blood clot. The girl down here, she down here, she down here. You fuck out the ear. Yeah, a foot are going in your hole now. A foot are going in your hole. You should have never. You when you go up on the stage, go freestyle on Jada for Jada call you. Jada must send call you. Are you blood clot to take out your blood clot cocky problem on the girl and the girl a pepper you like shrimp? No, I'm drink like a Campari. Me not go do this today, no. No. Me not go blood clot do this. Hey, oi! Yeng. What do you know? Since you have a little Ramish problem there. Remember, me know good enough. No, me put up on your back. No, girl, you want to get born already. You see it? At least you never take the route to the girl take one day. When she kill the baller. At least you never go stab Ramish in her neck one time of vice TJ. You could have done that, but you don't do that. You're on a deleting picture. Them glad for your body. And I saw you go about it, Shensia. You not take out your cocky problem for other girl. Why you do that for? Why you do that for? Why would you do that? Look how Ramish fat. You can't control one blood clot fat man, girl. Him not sexy, you know. Girl, the whole lot of us are run down on a bumbo clot meal ticket. See me here, goods. Mula, me your friend? Now you're pretty friend. Don't blood clot heal me. You know cuss me like dog and tell me about how me oring and boring and my big stone. Don't come call me about how whoop on me there. Me there right, yes sir. Right, yes. One time, pretty come back, I shall let you know. That is your friend. Mowley Pretty is your friend. The Mowley crew is you and Pretty. The two are together. Yeah. Remember you class me and harass me. Nobody with the blood clot fucking ask for me. Don't ask for me. Because you said this and you said that and now you're asking me. Good ling. Yeah, good. As me did I say then. Eh? Look there. Jada Kingdom will not trouble nobody. Then me can't ace Jada Kingdom bipolar and go trouble blood clot Jada Kingdom. Look for Shengsia. Shengsia, you claim to say you're a lyricist, but the try, and the die, tie, it never did a work for me. Them they are no lyrics. Them more sound like one bumbleclot preschool song. Die, cry. It sounds so fucking annoying. Yeah, and that me always I say at least attacking blood clot shown. Because when Ramish attack the whole of him bottom lip cover of the whole of them teeth, you never see him teeth. I can't short him teeth them short so. Him teeth them can't sharp so. I can't short them short so. Eh? What do you mean here the whole of talk about say Shensia run dancehall? Come on, one blood clot girl run dancehall. Big up to my boo Spice Grace, the queen of dancehall, Hamilton, and my girl Coffee. Them the little girl that run road and make money in the blood clot business. Wanna stop the blood clot fuckery. Jada, you know say you can't go on better because you can't sing better than blood clot yeng. Because I will listen to blood clot banana all day. I will listen to Love Situation. But yeng voice just blood clot annoying. But I know me know say you have your cocky, but me love when you finger me. Go on all over cartel rhythm, the regular obsessed with teacher, you know. Everything we have to do with teaching us teeth, so your teeth all virginity rhythm. And I go on with yourself. You are Ramish showing a prison, you know. You see a Ramish belly big. You see our Ramish look a belly young for him. Wanna see it? You and yeah, TG, much made in blood clot ever, you know, Ramish, tone of fat and ever look untidy. Come on, get on the fucking shit together. Hmm? Eh? No. Giamma Jada can sing better than that girl by far. By blood clot far, she can sing better than blood clot yeng. Who no go and go listen to Love Situation and banana. You are my woman. Jada, I just that alone. You see, no, Jada good. I just show Jada now suck no blood clot wood. She not suck no wood for your busting at the blood clot place. She not do that. Some girl put them pussy and body and throat over counter and Jada not doing it. Me I defend blood clot Jada. Jada, what do you mean a blood clot class? You go there. But you know it's some non-ambitious, some blood clot time goods. Don't take it blood clot personal. My tongue long like carpet and bread like a blood clot beach. Go there. Nah ask. Goods, me bring you down one day, but me not tell her no lie. You can sing better than blood clot yeng. Yeng sang them two blood clot a 9. And true for one day with that blood clot, she have a problem them with a little Ramish business. She come but she love on your finger. Me suspect say the two of you so fuck. Me feel so. Jada underrated blood clot yeng over Jada. You no confuse me. You no confuse me. Very much. Yeah, man. No, man. Me not tell no lie. Me just like how blood clot. Me like how Jada sing. Yeah, man. She have her own style and me like that. You see blood clot yeng a be a rap. She want blood clot rap. She want some dancehall music in a trap music. Good the whole one busting at the Yankee shreps, you see. Who did go tell blood clot BET if you make good as come up here come DJ? My God, from them the time the Shensia no longer wants to be a blood clot Jamaican yeng a rap now. A rap yeng. Who no go listen to blood clot yeng a rap? I'm done with blood clot yeng. Yeng is a trap artist and not a blood clot dancehall artist. Trap music. Trap, Bunty Killer sound every time mix up a blood clot journal. You hear that? Dirty people. Make sure to listen. Dirty people. Eh? Watch it. You see when Jada sing in a proper English, you know, not even a Yankee, you know, just proper English. Say it sound cute and sexy. You know good as a straight. You want to rap like Megan Thee Stallion. I say you sound. What do you mean here, blood clot? Mama rap, I'm here me to my wife now. I said, babes, who that? Megan Thee Stallion? She said, no, I Shensia was fucking shocked. Shensia, go ahead and keep your man problem them for your blood clot. That's why Jada ox out your blood clot for you. Go ahead, man, and bless, annoying. If nobody never tell you your song is very fucking annoying. One morning, me in my sleep and me no know wait there play a bumbo clot, you know. Yeng. Me no know which part bless there play. Good wait me out of my sleep. It's fucking annoying. It does annoy because you just dep and bless. You need a fucking, no matter what them try. Them can't stop me now. I. Come on, goody. It's fucking annoying. Why you being so repetitive? Eh? Why? You run out of some fucking shit. Yeah, Jada married. Mula. Bumbo clot, dog. You ever blood clot are married to the whole of them girl. The curvy diva you married to what day? You never married to Gaza Slim one night time. No, you take up anything, you know that. You just take them up, then come in. You just take up where you're going. Baby Lord. Jesus Christ. Me get a call this morning from some very important people from the blood clot candy camp. Hello? Some in the year say candy have one next blood clot. Hey, good is you know when me have a blood clot sit down. Me yes say candy she did have one next blood clot manager over Canada there. Woman type up all false contract for blood clots candy for sign. Woman I take out the whole of the money them and wash in her teeth, baby lad a creep up everything else in a man. Me I tell you so they look for baby lad, him look like him well one blood clot beard. Me see them drop all music video yesterday. Why would you not go beard? What kind of music video that a Ufa house that a there say you live baby lad? That house they look like one bumbo clad party shop, bro God. Like you, if you lie down, you can use your hands and touch a 2 blood clot wall. Eh? And what kind of music video that the song even sound good? Cool, tight. Who do need one that you go up and chat? That now go up on the chat. Good day. Why would you make one video for that? This song, and fool, you fuck. And baby lad, where you get the dress code? You can't match it. Me blood clot, tired of blood clot. You know. Baby lad, why you give your phone to Candy? For she come and talk about, here Candy, I wanna love him. I wanna love him. I wanna know it's only love me. Wow, love her. Candy, shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut your ass up, bitch. Shut up. But love him. Baby lad want beard. He might use your dirty bumbleclad fool crackhead. Yes, he might use you. You is impersonal toilet paper dirty wow. I love him. We sang bumbleclad, alright. This song a fuckery. Shaham wash, shave, pussy wash. Can't even bust out your business. Remember say baby lad now fuck you, you know. A reliable source, me get this from in a dirty war. What you come over here, so I go on over blood. Oh, love him. Love what? Love him. Love what? Who is love? Dirty baby lad? Baby lad is using your dirty girl. That we are telling you. I remember what you tell Nadine, hey, listen to me bumble wall. Remember you tell Nadine say, baby lad don't fuck you. It's a show him a put on. He does a suck out your blood clot, rat them out for your money. You wanna love him. Mommy and my mother talk. My mother talk and I wanna just love him. All of my wow fans them. Girl, your blood clot wow men's done. You make one bumbleclad idiot other crackhead named baby lad name down your whole of your career goods. Goods. In the video I wanna make. Me can see starvation all over it one. Starvation a kill your bumbleclad, baby lad. Baby lad does bumbleclad. What if fuck if you ever one leprechaun, you see man? With your bumbleclad sharp ears them. Your bumbleclad look like one little sharp leprechaun. His teeth. His fucking teeth. And dirty stinking Yvette. Boy, you look blood, boy, you put up, sitting upon blood clot pink wall, boy, all them they spend upon clothes for wow. And you release voice note. Girl release everything teeth in Yvette. Yvette your teeth no bumbleclad, book wow for sure Portland. Then give wow $5 grand and name the whole of the money. Girl, you wicked, you know. Yvette, you the only way a blood clot Canada. How you reach in a blood clot candy business? Now you lash yourself. You see, say, look at your eyelash business now gone away for you. And you're going to take up blood clot. Can I get a wow? Name out the whole of the blood clot girl money. Look at dirty Yvette. Yvette, go sell your lash them and move your blood clot. Girl, if they not sell, go give them away. What the $1,000, what the receipt say? All I want a bumbo clot idiot more than I want to make one girl can show one receipt with $1,000. I want not even see what the girl pay for. Who do not even see what the blood clot make you full blood clot lash selling dirty girl as pay for? How do you look for one receipt $1,000 and see what the $1,000 pay for? You idiot? Do I not fool? But yeah, actually, me see receipt. What the receipt say? What the receipt say? Dirty old Yvette. Yvette, you old make it. Stay over Canada and sell your dirty blood clot lash them. And tell the people them say where the money where you show up. Tell them say half a wow bookings. Where you thief up goodie. People they every tax and them book you. Them got you for book wow where you name up the blood clot money and then I talk about say you play a charity case goodie. And the same money them if you do the little promo them if you do a little appearance them you take and go on like you do. Good you not doing nothing even move your blood clot for yourself. Go take down them there for pink wall dirty blood clot fat girl. Go take them down. Don't you make your blood clot, girl. Your business a fail. You run bankrupt, no blood clot. You run bankrupt. $1,000 for what, Stacey? Stacey, alright. Stacey, $1,000 for what? Show me what up on the receipt. Somebody tell me what up on the receipt. Cause the only thing me see $1,000 so mark out, and me not see no items. Where is the items? Me know say she that hotel with a real manager, them you know 80 cent and Nadine. Them have 80 cent and Nadine a put on dinner and Sophie, wow, mesh back things with she and her mother and them things. They see, wow, have good people around her. She just don't like for eat get telling for nobody. Nadine 80 cent to help her out, but she want to give baby lad the whole of the money. Baby lad sell iPhone, him say, how much he thousands of dollar paper send so till the boy black all Western Union. Baby lad, you want bed. Me not ask you, baby lad, you want bed. Huh? Ask them a blood clot. Oh, somebody underneath here saying yes, yes, good. Yeah, she doesn't say Ray metal as the yes, bitch. Yeah, where is the items them? Can you show me $1,000? What the item them the way you pay for $1,000? It fit up on the bumper cloth receipt too. For every receipt, you see the items that you buy to reach up to where it reach up to. Say you just show me $1,000. Go there, miss me with that. Where you pay for $1,000? Because somehow now $1,000 worth of what? Dirty event out of what? You want here, baby lad, you want some water with wow for bed. $1,000 worth of mark out, and then the mark out the one me see you have goodie. I can't the items them they will come up to $1,000. Your receipt no make no blood clot sense, girl. Because me not see where you pay $1,000 for. How good your blood clot rent? How good your bumper clot rent that, girl? Move your blood clot with that the receipt there. You show a receipt for $1,000, then I show one close site. Girl, show me the receipt with the clothes them panny. You lie in a bumbo clot, you thief up the whole of the money. Show your blood clot lash them now sell and I look pity. Move your blood clot, dirty stinking event. I fight down Nadine. Show Nadine 80 cent to look out for the girl well-being and I bring her to a hotel and I give her good food for Niam. Move your blood clot if it be a blood clot tongue and bumbo clot cheese tricks on a bike, a blood clot, wow. Move your blood clot, girl. Come with another blood clot receipt, goodie. With the items them pan it, liar dirty girl. Go ahead. Oh, you mean the girl can live in our one room? $1,000? Yeah, you mean could you have all one room I go for 8 bills? How you there? I want to your goods 8 meals a month. I'm telling you, you know. It not look good. I won't now left baby lad, you know. Wagwan! Me say no matter what go on, won't now left dirty baby lad. I thief them blood clot. Hey. She love him. Love is blind. I be a cheese chicks and thank them by give blood clot. Wow. Because if move your blood clot, boy, you buy this and that for, and you have voice note for say rain. If move your bumbo clot, let's go. Me soon go sleep. Me not have to worry about them, you know. Can they get visa? What she going now? Can they just can't read, you know, just that, you know. It's when you can't read, when you don't send them look at something, and them thing you read you. Yeah, when you have, look on the way them at the video, you know. Baby lad, if they say you live, boy, go get a bed. Me a one spliff, man. Me not smoke in here for a man. Me a walk me door when me done. Sorry. No, you broke my vibes out by weed in a moment, yeah. Baby lad want kick in a seed. And somebody doesn't even just give me one kick in a bomber and I seed. Me fly him bomber like balls way up in him fucking head, make it kill him. If you the music video, me no know. Baby lad go get a bedhead, no? You can't go buy one bedhead. Me no know what is that to no go video. Me go come party over there, go there. Lad. Mommy, what you mean with that if you kicking seed up in her head? One kick. What the fuck? Mommy, when you look at baby lad, you know, that friggin' old leprechaun. Damn thief. Me don't like the people advantage other people, man. I don't like it. That is advantage. Don't advantage people like that. No worry, man. I still come at UK, man. That's all in the making. Me go to Canada too. If you don't come over there, all you do is grab me dirty girl. Me say what me say already. You thief. You thief up the whole of wow money if you sell lash. And then I when you spend $1,000 on clothes, wow. $1,000 you spend for your lash, them go there. The video man get $12,000 goods. Mommy know about that cost, man. Me not do it again. She have good management right now, 80 cents. And Nadine, them a deal with her good right now, 80 cents. And Nadine I put her on dinner for the mother and wow, and the whole family can sit down and have a little talk and sit in there. Where's the Ali if me no work? It a bother your moms? Is a problem to you, good eyes? Must be a problem. Having me sitting on your couch not working, Ibo? Must be a fucking problem, right? You don't need that. Yeah? Right? Okay, must have hurt you. Because you just have a work list, somebody not work, just sit down on your couch, so must have hurt you. In sweetheart? It a pain in some way? When me come to Jamaica? Soon. Love you, Canada. Who was the tech jugs? Who was the tech jugs? Tech jugs? Mama no mix up the blood clot herbs. We don't look a fuckery thing them wanna take a foreigner sitting. No mix up man in a them thing there. Me smoke weed. So me see a militant fi tell if you go suck out your blood clot, mama. You see pray? Crackhead, Would on there somewhere right now I tear down somebody place if you go get some money, if you go buy some more crack. Weed man, sit down in the house and a bill and a chill. You see me I deal with, now mix me up in your blood class substance talk them my friend. You see pray? Don't play with me man. You see pray? Man a ganja man, that's it. I'm going to put in my weed a blood clot grabber. Not like who know where I smoke all kind of blood clot sitting. You see pray? Buds! What the chop? Praise the Lord Jesus Christ. Me to live up there. You know? Me has to live up there. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Need prayers. That's all me have to say. Somebody need to call whoa and pray for him. Me not cuss. I was expressing myself. Hey, yo, one thing, my sorry say candy the pan crack. You that better off, you know. You know that them coming there come late. Enough respect, Jesus. When me top fan them, Beverly me top fan, Jesus Christ. Princess Cher, Bumbo Clad, when the badge them a run hard. Over the years, and I'm for sure for the top of fan badge them, you know. Buds, you not get no badge yet. Facebook a run the badge them 1-1. Tomorrow me never see it. Me never, you know, some of the time I catch it a late. Some of the time I catch it late. That now me done. Yeah boy, everybody does a rap war winner then now. Everybody will come so right now 80 cents and Nadine said them go fix our teeth them. You see me? Right now so soon when I see go teeth them out there. You see it? Bomba Jade! Dada! Budge! Oi! Yo, Kyra! Jesus, you watch them out, you know what? You watch them out! Jesus, sure! Remember, Jesus, guys, I'm for sure them over there. So fit, bitch. Bomba. So, I know say I follow the page here than my talk. You know say I follow Pretty Dan page. If you look, you can see Ling Parks. I follow the page. And you know say me don't get no top fan badge. Me don't get none, and me I follow the page from Dear Blood Clot 1. You understand me? And I don't get none. Oh, I'm not comment enough, I'm not like enough, I'm not wine enough. What am I do? Done this now. Just tired. Eat that man. Fuck owner. Is it Rochelle? Bumbo Clad. Watch them a run. Jesus Clad. Paula Warrior. Rochelle, Jesus Christ. Yo, hey, yo, no badge them out there, you know. Jesus Christ, well, you did forget it. You did forget it. Ismail, you did forget. Me say you just forget. Bumbo Clad, let me say, you badge over there, yes? Melly! Bumbo Clad, I can get the top one. Watch out! Josie, Bumbo Clad, and Jenna didn't get top one. The leg, whoa! Good as they get the top one. Why? Laura! Jesus Christ, don't touch me and I go, sir. Jada walk one! Why? Renette, Jesus Christ, watch it. Top fan out there. Out there. No, I want to get my badge. Now I'm not ask Chris a blood clot Facebook bias. Because me there a long time, I never get one of the badge them yet. I'm gone. Me go comment on the blood clot live video, you know, and finish for the day. Baby lad go beard. And Candy Wow, please stick to them two people. Where I look out for you and men back your family because I'm tired to see they use, you know, goods. Please, I take good night.